Meaning of fish.
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 Fish. Fish is a term that refers to aquatic animals with gills, fins, and usually scales. These creatures can be found in a variety of environments, from freshwater to saltwater, and play an important role in the food chain. Fish are a valuable food source for humans and are often bred and harvested on fish farms. In addition, they are popular subjects in recreational fishing and aquaria. Some fish, such as salmon and tuna, are especially prized for their nutritional value and are considered to be health foods. Overall, fish are a diverse and fascinating group of animals that have captured human interest for millennia.